Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, power steering. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.